Okay, I gotta go to the other one that was just blowing my mind, which is smoke. Let me see. That. Look at
Yeah, yeah.
that. Oh, the there's a fire in a trash can with the smoke, and the shadows, the lighting and the shadows interplaying on the smoke. This is real time?
Yeah, that's all real time.
What the hell? So
'Cause
how do you do that? Was that how do you do the smoke?
well, there's a really powerful particle system underneath. It's providing the technological foundations for this sort of thing, but there's awesome artistry on top of that, uh, and an awesome physics engine powering it. Um, it's hard to tell exactly which piece is doing what,
Yeah.
but you have several different particle systems there. There's one for the, fire, and then there's another one for the smoke coming out of it. Um, the really interesting thing happening with the smoke here is that it's occluding light. There's calculation of how the light should diminish as it travels through smoke, and so you're seeing the lighting on the smoke being the really interesting thing. And there have been a lot of attempts, but this was the first demo where I felt like this kind of smoke had really no longer looked like a video game. It looked like just a burning trash can billowing out dark smoke. And it's the artist's sophistication. It's a very, very, very large part of it.
So yeah, again, it's the interplay between the tooling and the artist. But yeah, like that, I could watch that for a long time. I mean, there's something magical sitting around a fire in real life and just watching the fire and the smoke. I mean, humans have been doing that for, I don't know, hundreds of thousands of years maybe. And then that same, I was just staring at that, and I wish the people would just stop talking and I could just watch the fire infinitely. And I mean, that's immersion. That's like, I want to be in that. I want to sit around that trash can with a fire and the smoke and watch, and maybe warm because I was also feeling cold because of the snow. You're like, you really get immersed into the thing. I mean, it's so beautiful. It's true art. It's true art. It's just really wonderfully done.